Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some bacon wrapped pork bites on the pellet grill. These are gonna be a huge hit. Oh hell yeah, check this out. We're going to be utilizing pork butt. So this one here is just a smaller boneless pork butt that I'm gonna have to trim the fat cap off. Cut this into cubes, wrap them in bacon. First we're gonna season with some of this Kosmos Honey Killer Bee. So once you get your cubes all seasoned up, wrap it in bacon, hit it with a little more seasoning. If you want to try a different kind as well, right there's the time to do it. Get it on a wire rack, and then we're going to slide this into the pellet grill at about 250, 275. So these pork bites we let sweat in with that Honey Killer Bee, and now we're going to wrap them in bacon, fire up the pellet grill. We're going at 250, 275 until these things are tender, bacon's crispy. Oh hell yeah, we're going to glaze them with a little honey barbecue sauce, and we'll use that also as a dipping sauce. Using some applewood pellets today. Let's get this up to 275 and then we may bump it down. These pork bites are just about done, and we're going to probe them with the ChefsTemp. Oh hell yeah, this guy is very handy to get your temps, and if you're a left-handy, oh yeah, you got it. So with these bacon pork bites, we want to hit at least a minimum 145 internal, but we're going much further than that. We're going 165 to 180, right around that point. You're going to get crispy bacon that way, and you're going to have a nice bite through, so it's not too chewy. So we're going to utilize the ChefsTemp meat probe, poke into her, see where we're at, and it's all looking good, looking fabulous, but we'll get a direct temp and we'll know if we're safe to eat. Oh hell yeah. These pork morsels are probing perfect. They're ready to come off. Let them rest. We're going to hit some honey barbecue sauce. You can glaze them if you want, or use them as a dunking sauce, or both. I'm just going to use it as a dunking sauce. I found this one sauce from a local Aldi if you have one. It's like a Buffalo Wild Wings honey barbecue sauce. We're going to utilize that. Why not? It was a good price, and I hear good things about it. And there's a lot of things at Aldi's that you can get at a really good price and really good product. Oh hell yeah. We're going in with a final temp probe here. We're going to just see where we're at, and I mean, it's looking golden. Look at it. Oh yeah. That big boy, the big one there is 174, 186, 190. Oh, what? If you need an instant read thermometer, ChefsTemp, rock and roll. I like it. Large display. This probe moves all over the place. That is awesome. Save $8. Link down below. This is a good one, and it just feels right in the hand. Rock and roll. These pork bites are ready to devour. Oh hell yeah. Let's get into one of these. They are, oh, they smell amazing. Small pork butt, boneless, cut it up into cubes, season it up with Kosmos Honey Killer Bee, wrapped it in bacon, cooked it at 275 with some applewood pellets on the Z grills. And about an hour and a half later, rock and roll. Let them rest about 10-15 minutes at least so you don't burn your mouth. And we are going to take a taste test with some of this barbecue sauce. Honey barbecue sauce. Check that out. Oh hell yeah. Bottoms up. Mmm. Tastes a lot like a pork steak, just cooked perfect. Oh hell yeah. I would have liked a little more breakdown on that bite. Let's try another one just to see. Oh hell yeah. Pork bites for the win. I mean, come on. That rocks. That's so good. So easy to do. That barbecue sauce is actually really good too. Oh hell yeah. If you got a local Aldi, check them out. Sometimes they got some great finds. And this barbecue sauce from Berman's, rock and roll. It's like a pork steak. You can't bite through it perfectly. It's just too small. Rock and roll. Mmm. Ooh. So good though. Oh. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Man, that is good. That's what we got. It's like the perfect cooked pork steak. So good. So the ChefsTemp instant read also has another cool feature. It's magnetic. Sticks. Stick it to the side of your table. Bam. As long as it's metal, you're good to go. ChefsTemp. Get yours now. $8 off. Use my link down below.